Hello guys, hope you're doing great. This is the Cyber Coach, your favorite channel for those who want to understand ethical hacking, pen testing, penetration testing in a simple way, from the side of a reform hacker, black guy. So that's the point. So I'll make hacking to be very easy for you and simple for you, okay? So that's the point. So I know that a lot of you guys have heard about Google. This is an research engine, in Google. Google mostly is indexing website, for example, if you say job, security, web security job, or, mate job, driver job. What Google will do, Google will actually show you websites talking about the topic. But there is another research engine which hackers are it's actually helping hackers to be very dangerous when it comes to OSINT research or information gathering is very, very, very dangerous. If you're a hacker or if you're a beginner, you have to master it. And the name of this tool is nothing but is on your screen. Shodan.io. So to access Shodan, you just type Shodan. You understand? Shodan.io. And then it will prompt you. The first thing that you have to know, you have to create an account, normal account, as if you guys have read my ebook, the free ebook. If you don't have it on the description, I'm actually sharing the WhatsApp group for only subscriber. You can get the free ebook. So how to be anonymous online is free. I can share with you in the group. Or if you don't see the link in the description, go to the description about me of the channel, the home of the channel. You'll see the link of the WhatsApp group. Join and ask for the ebook. It's free and very interesting, guy. That's the point. So to create an account is very simple. You come here and then open Terminal. Terminal will give you a free email address to receive like OTP code confirmation email. So as you open, that's normal. You sign up normally, registration, you click on registration and then you sign up. So you put your password and they will send you a confirmation, and then you will come here, open your email and click, you log in. Okay, automatically you log in. So Shodan has this speciality to find vulnerable devices online. Like with Shodan, a hacker can actually find vulnerable available webcams online and hack them and then get access on it and then definitely stream it, record the videos, and definitely blackmail the target. With Shodan, a hacker can also get access to routers, internet routers, because we do have like a lot and a lot, I tell you, a lot and a lot of these online available with default credentials that make things very easy for any hackers to get access on it. The moment they have access to your internet, of course they can actually do a lot of attack, like man in the middle, and then change all the traffic coming to your router to their local router that they will be choosing to direct the traffic, and then that's game over. They can change everything. They can receive anything, any payment you'll be doing, any conversation, anything, any email, they can intercept it, and then this is game over. Okay, they can access what they call like central monitoring control panel, like from for electricity panel control, water panel control, light traffic control. All this is the specialty of Shodan. So this is very important when it comes to information gathering, which is the first step in any ethical stuff, ethical work or pen testing job. Is very necessary and important for a hacker to master it. So let me give you an example. To do this is very simple. Let me just type webcam and you will see how Shodan will actually give me different webcams available around the globes. So I can narrow my research and say, okay man, thank you for this, but I want you to give me webcams from US. Let me say, okay, so that's it. which is very interesting. The interesting thing is like Shodan will give me webcams from US, the different vulnerable webcams in US. That's really, I'm telling you guys, these are the real webcams. So any hacker can just take this. Okay, I say, okay, this is the different cities, the different ports. You understand? I say, okay, you can even say, okay, give me only those who have a port 80 open, and then you have the different names. And then, okay, this is the first name that is on me. It says, okay, man, let me just take this one first. For example, click on it and let's see what's happening. And what this will do most of the time, a hacker will just say, I'll copy. Okay, for example, let me just wait it's open, and then you will come here and say, okay, http the IP address is 45.56.67.180, and then I put the port 80. Let's see what will happen. Anything coming? Okay, nothing interesting. Okay, it's just rendering. That's interesting that it's just giving me the name of the server. Okay, not bad. Let me see. And see, let me show you guys. And the very interesting things, like, this is very disgusting. That's very dangerous, because when I click on this particular webcam, it is actually showing me the different vulnerabilities of this specific and how I can use this vulnerability to actually exploit it. We are not going to do it, okay? That's how a hacker can actually get access of any webcam, as I tell you guys, any webcam available online. So at the end of the video, I will actually show you how to secure your webcams and device so that you will not be hacked. Let's say a hacker will say, okay, let's say I want to routers. Any router, let me see any result that I will take, any router available online. If Shodan can give me routers, oh my god. Can't you see here the result? 1,402,000. That's crazy. That's crazy. Different available route online hackable, because most of them, let me say all of them are hackable. All the vulnerability are available online. So that's very simple job, guys. What the hell is this? So let me just, okay, man, I want to route it from France. Okay, no, change it. I want it from France. Like, let me say France. Okay, let's see. To narrow the research, you see, these are the different guys. That's crazy. Different. I said, okay, let me find those who are on port. Let me see the different port that is available. Do we have any who actually port 8080? I don't know. Do we have port 8080? Yeah, we do have here port 8080. I say, show me only those who are on port 8080, all the routers from France. Okay, that's crazy. That's the name of the different routers. Guys. So let's say this, we have this, and then let me just say, okay, man, let me open this. That's the name of the router. That's the, how they call it, the IP address. Let me just try to put the IP address here. Let me put the IP address here and then put the port and see what's happening here. Oh, that's the name. Guys, Je Riviere, that's the name of the IP, that's the name of the router. And what is happening here is like Shodan has given us a particular router. Let me just click it here and see if we can get anything interesting. Okay, nothing interesting, guys, nothing interesting. Let's go back. So okay, see, let me just say, if I want to bypass this and enter exactly inside this router, this website or router, I have different ways, particularly it has the vulnerabilities here. Okay, so let me say, okay, let me take a real, okay, let me take another real router, still on port 8080. Sorry, guys, I'm only on port 8080, and then let me say if I can get order with other names. Let's see. Oh, interesting. We do have this. I think this one can be actually interesting. It should actually bring us to a kind of, you know, login page. That's what I'm actually expecting. Okay. Let me just change the IP address here. Okay, IP address. Let's see from this guy. So that's how most of hackers actually getting access. And I'm telling you guys, most of these, as I have seen here, all of these devices is misconfiguration just from the developer, you understand, and from the admin of the websites. They are not actually aware that their website have this vulnerability and showing their device online or all this stuff. So that's the point. And the hacker, so guys, can you see we have a login page? Let's say just so what any normal hacker can do is he'll just try to get like a normal default password. If it doesn't take, he will keeping changing, or do a normal brute force using different user agents so that he will not block it. Okay, that's the point. Or proxy chain so that he will not block it, and then game over. So we are not going to do it because this is illegal. This is illegal. It will be illegal if we abuse it. It will be illegal. Okay, guys. So that's the point. It's just for showing you how real world scenario is working. Let's say, for example, you want to set. I'm actually searching for servers. I need server from, I don't know, India, country India, India, and then I will precise that most of these guys, most of these things, I don't want you to repeat it. And if you're not doing a legal or normal job or a legal with full authorization of penetration testing, this guy, I don't advise you to do anything, because if you do it on somebody device, definitely they will catch you and you'll be in trouble. That's for sure. So that's it. So you see, we have almost 44 million servers available online, hackable. Are you guys getting me? Hackable online with the different vulnerabilities that we can hide. Shodan is providing us the different vulnerability and exploit, how to exploit these vulnerabilities and get access to the database and all this stuff for free, guys. Oh my gosh. In some minutes, only some minutes, it's game over. You see? So I can actually say, okay, man, I want those on port 80. So maybe I will choose on Mumbai or Delhi. I say, okay. And then, so, okay, let's say those on port 80, those who are available. I say this one is available. The connection is giving us a connection. So let me say, okay, man, bye-bye. Let me just change you and see if we can get like any login page or any platform showing that we we have like a you see, it's loading. So that's the point. Enter your email. Oh my gosh. So you see, with a simple work, like a normal, for example, let me say yani, if I was a hacker, the simple that I will do, I will just do a simple research of the different possible email that I can enter here. If I enter an email, and then so just a normal, I can actually interrupt with Bob Soup and see how it react, and then definitely it will go game over. So these things is very disgusting, because guys, and more again, because if I click on it, Shodan will show me all the vulnerability available on how to exploit it. If I apply it, it will be game over. You see, this is critical vulnerability here, the CVE 2024 slash 38474. So that's the point. Very serious vulnerability. So it rated 9.8. That's very dangerous. So guys, that's the point. So guys, so the point is that's the main question, yani how to protect yourself so that you will avoid your device to be hackable or to be available online. That's the main question that normally everybody has to ask himself, because we are doing this for educational purpose or for security purpose. So the main thing that everybody should actually do is to use first, if you have a device or a website, whatever, a server or a router, first you have to do like a normal a normal scan, and then you put your device like and then you scan, put your IP address here, and then you scan your device to see the different ports who are available. So the ports who are available online, you just off them, you remove them online. So, and then you put some firewall on this specific port to reject any connection, different unknown connection coming from outside. You understand? That's very important to cross-check yourself. You have to check yourself. So that's the main point that I can actually advise everybody to do if you want to be sure that you will not be hacked by any hackers. That's the point. And the second point that I can advise you to do is to change the default password, because most of you guys, when you buy a router or when you have a camera, I'm telling you guys, I've been involved in my past. I've been involved in a lot of hacking campaign with other groups. Guys, I'm telling you guys, most of these your device, you're not changing. You guys are not changing the password, the default password. When you get your password, when you get how they say it, when you get a device, you have a device, a router, it should be your normal habit to change the default password, because any hacker will first start from the default password. Okay, you change the default password, you change it, oh my god, I don't want to use some, you have to change it. So, and I said the first thing, remember, I say you have to scan yourself, scan your website, your webcam, your router, whatever platform you have. As you scan it, then definitely as you scan it and you close this platform, this port that you don't want them to be open. Okay, you close it. And the second thing, that the third thing that I can advise you to do to reduce to be possibility to be hacked or to be discovered online, is to enable all the firewalls. Okay, you must enable the firewall, because firewalls can have this ability to block unauthorized access. That's very important. So if you have your router, you have to enable the firewall. And if you want to connect to your device, for example, if it's your router and then you're not there, it's very important to use VPN before connecting, because when you don't use VPN to connect to your device remotely, guys, bonjour les troupes, parce que vous allez présenter un peu plus les informations sur les informations internet sur votre device. This is very important. It will show all the information, the information of your device on internet, the internet. That's very important. And the fifth point that I can actually advise you to do is to always keep updating. You should actually cross-checking every time your device, to reduce. As you cross-check it, as you scan it, always update your device. Update it, because today vulnerability, if you updated your device today, tomorrow might be a new version, and then this today version might get some vulnerability. So if you reach to tomorrow, you have to update it. Hope you guys understand what I mean. So that's the point. So thank you guys. So today we learn about Shodan, how you guys actually can reveal, how Shodan can reveal vulnerability of any device online. You guys can see how you saw how Shodan can actually reveal even webcam, routers. I forget even to show you databases. I'm telling you guys, databases. As I mean databases, I mean really databases. So normally, how normally each hacker, as when a hacker get it, normally he will actually exploit them and blackmail the target or resell what he will get. For example, if he records you on video, have some compromising video, maybe you're naked or whatever, or he can blackmail you, or he can sell it outside and all this stuff. You understand? It's very dangerous. So you guys should mind about your security, because it's very important, because not everybody is a Catholic priest or an imam outside. Most of people there outside, they are looking for devices to hack and to sell. So thank you for watching, and I hope that this video helps you and you learn something. If you like, please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, comment section, because when you comment, it makes the algorithm of YouTube to know that the video is interesting, and it actually push far and make other people to see it. Please guys, and if you're interested of my ebook, please subscribe to my channel and join the WhatsApp group, so that our community can grow and you will get definitely the free ebook. Please, thank you guys for watching me. This was your favorite channel, favorite teacher, the cyber coach. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Okay.